Okay guys, good morning. We are going to do 7.3 apply Pythagorean theorem to solve the problems. So we are going to see our first question, and as I told you previously, we are going to discuss with the 3D figure and inside diagonal. Because if I want to look at this question, Carlos is giving his friend in another state a new umbrella as a gift. He wants to ship the umbrella in the box he already has. Which box can Carlos use to ship the umbrella? Explain. Now when he wants to put the umbrella can go from this corner to this corner. So this is how he will fit. To find that, what I need to find is how much is the hypotenuse. For that, I have to go through two processes. First is, I need to take this as A, this is B, and find the hypotenuse of it. So this is our A, this is our B, I find the C. So 22 square plus 22 square is 31.11 square. C. So this is C. Now this C will become as our A, this is our B, and you can see from one end to the other end we are going, and to find this as a C. So this C will become A. So 31.11, which was our previous C, will become our A, this will become B, and we find the C, it says 38.1. Now look at the umbrella is 37.5 and this is 38.1. Will it fit? Absolutely yes. So you can say that umbrella will fit in box number 1. Now we are looking at the same question for box number 2, and you can see that again we have to find the inside diagonal. That means from this corner to this corner, or you can do from this corner to this corner. Basically, you're fitting the umbrella inside the box. So I can take this as our A, this is our B, and find the hypotenuse. So that will be my first step to find the C. So 27 square plus 14 square is 729 plus 196. That is equal to C square. 925 equals C square. 30.41 is the C. Now, my first step is done, but now what happens is I have to find the diagonal length. To find the diagonal length, I can take this way, this corner to this corner, or this corner to this corner. So let us do with this corner to this corner. So now this can become my A, this can become my B, and this is our C. So we got 30.41 as our C, so that will be my A. 27 square, which I can see here, this will be the B. I need to find the C. If I do all the 30.41 square and all the work out, I get 40.6 as my C. And 40.6 is greater than 37.5 inches. So of course umbrella will fit in this box too. So he can send umbrella in this box too. Now we are going ahead for the third question, and the third question I have tried to do it here because we didn't had much space here. So this is not the answer for this focus on math practices, but this is the answer of the above question. So again we have to find the diagonal length. That means from this corner to this corner, or you can take from this corner to this corner. This is how you will fit the umbrella. Okay, so if you look at the question, we can take this is our A, this is our B, and find the hypotenuse. So once I do that, 27 square plus 22 square equals C square, 729 plus 484 equals C square, and 1213 equals C square. So 34.83, I don't know you are able to see, it's 34.83 is equal to C. So now 34.83 is our A in this case, and you can find for this. So you can take this as A, this is B, and this is C, because we have to find the length diagonally. So that is how I'm going to take care of it. 34.83 plus 14 square, because you can see this is 14, the A is 14 and this is 34.83 equals C square. So 1213.13 plus 196 equals C square. 1409.13 equals C square. C is equal to 37.5. Now Our umbrella is exactly 37.5. Even this third one is 37.5. Yes, umbrella will fit in all the three boxes. Now, in this question, Tim asks that the diagonal of any boxes will always be longer than its side. Is Tim correct? I'm just writing the answer here. Yes, because hypotenuse, diagonal is the hypotenuse. Right now what we are taking diagonal as C. C is hypotenuse, and hypotenuse is the longest side, and that's the reason why Tim is absolutely right, because hypotenuse will always be longer than the side. So I'm not erasing anything of this. If you are able to see our video, we can end it for this question, but I've done the questions here. Hopefully you're getting it. So see you in the next video for rest of the questions.